Canva's Magic Design uses AI to quickly create design ideas from your content. It helps you make professional graphics presentation, social media post, and more, saving you time. So first, you need to go ahead and open canva.com, or you can also go ahead and open the Canva application on your device. Tap on create in the top left corner of your screen. Pick a format like Instagram post, presentation, or YouTube thumbnail. Now you need to go ahead and access the Magic Design or Magic Media option that you will find in the left hand side of the screen, which is between apps and photos. Now go ahead and tap on that. From the menu that appears in the description box, you need to go ahead and enter your content. Type in text. You can also add images or describe the design you want. For example, festival sale summer or minimalistic presentation slide. Choose a style. Select from the styles or templates that you want. Tap on styles and you can select any photograph, or you can also upload reference image, but for that you will need the premium version. You can also change layouts such as square, landscape, or portrait. Then tap on generate image, which is highlighted in purple color in the bottom left corner of your screen. If you're not satisfied with the result, you can tap on generate again in the bottom. You can now change the colors, fonts, and layouts. Add text, change the text, and adjust the images to your liking. And when you are happy with the design, tap on share in the top right corner of your screen. And go ahead and tap on download, or you can share it directly in your social media. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.